the level of consciousness energetically that you're at to go from level 3 to 2 to 1 is you are a completely different human being. And the analogy that I use in the YouTube video that Jacob shared, you're a completely different person when you're willing to go into their burning building to risk your life to save them. That is a completely different version to, I'll save you so long as I'm not at risk. Like, I'd like to save you and I'll do everything I can to save you, but I'm not putting myself in the fire. That's very different to, I will actually go into the burning building to save you, knowing that I could get hurt. That is a completely different level of what we would call true service. And when you're at that completely different level, all sorts of strange shit starts happening to you as far as the prospects that you were going to speak to in the normal ones that weren't going to close all of a sudden close. The ones that weren't going to show up all of a sudden show up. Your overall lead volume goes from 200 leads a month to 400 leads a month, and things like you land an offer with a different price point. And so all of a sudden, like, all of these non-linear things start changing, because the way this works on a spiritual level is you have what's called attractor fields. You can think of them also as like parallel universes, where your attractor field that you are at equals the version of, and this is the world, the version of the world that you end up appearing at. And so if you change your internal aura, you change your internal frequency to a bigger aura, you are now present in a different reality. And so it's not a linear thing of like, oh, well, I had 50 leads and then now I have 100 leads. It's you had a reality where it was 50 leads at a certain price point with a certain close rate on a certain total amount of leads, et cetera, et cetera. And when you become a different version of you, which is a level 2, a level 3 leader, when you become a level 3 leader that's willing to go into the burning building to try and save other people, knowing that there's a very small number of them that you're ever going to save, your whole reality shifts. Everything. Does this make sense? How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.